Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm shopping at Burlington. And I'm going to look for mainly like juniors and women's clothes. Maybe that would be good for fall and winter. So I got this super cute Winnie the Pooh sweatshirt. And we have the Looney Tunes characters. Burlington has so many hoodies and denim jackets that it's a perfect place to go for fall and winter clothing. But I love this one. Kind of reminds me of Supreme, like a Supreme sweatshirt has Supreme written in the middle, and that one had Savage. And of course you can still get t-shirts at Burlington, but I've noticed they have more long sleeve shirts and hoodies out. Look how cute this shirt is. The little bears all over it for $8. Little Rugrats t-shirt. And I don't know if it's just the time I go, but there's hardly ever anybody in my Burlington. I love this one too. It says good vibes all over it. It's super cute. But I'm going to check out this other side and see what they have on this side. I'm going to look at the shoes and the purses too. Got this little Mickey Mouse t-shirt. This cute white blouse. Tom and Jerry, Be Positive. $7 black shirt. Good vibes, poetic justice. Blessed Queen, love. Be kind. That one's cute. Oh, I like this one. Little smiley faces on it. That's so cute. And this one has little Mickey Mouse faces on it. Love that. So now I'm going to check out the purses. Burlington doesn't usually have very many good name brand purses. They'll have Steve Madden and like BB. You can find some Aldo, but they don't ever have like Coach or Michael Kors. I think the best brand I ever saw at Burlington was Vera Bradley. But I like this purse. Like, they have cute purses. Like, it doesn't have to be name brand. But I'm just saying, if you're looking for name brand, I would suggest to go to TJ Maxx or Marshalls. But my Marshalls hasn't been as good lately with the name brand. I don't know if it's because of everything that went on the last couple years, that they're just not getting as much stock in. But I love these little backpacks. They're so cute. So now I'm going to take a look at the shoes and see what they have that's new or cute. They're starting to get like boots in. These are cute. And these little South Pole slides kind of remind me of Supreme again for some reason. And we got some mud boots. And they look similar to Uggs. They have some good Ugg knockoffs out there, but to be honest, nothing compares to Ugg boots. Like, they're so warm, and it's just the quality, you know. It depends on whether you're just wanting the look or you actually want the warmth.